Hey everyone, and today we're going to be installing the GrimmSpeed Hella Horn wiring harness, a pair of Hella Sharptones. The horns will be mounted to the car with the GrimmSpeed Bro-Tie and its mounting hardware. The wiring harness allows you to hook up the horns without having to install a relay.
So here's the tail of the tape for all of you that are mad serious about weight savings. Yeah, so that's about right. The whole entire kit comes in at 2 pounds, 6 ounces, and 7/8 if you want to get really technical. You know, the term late to the game comes to mind. I waited and I'm glad I did. These things are super cool and I'm glad I didn't just get the normal red ones that you see all over the place. This is really going to set the car off and set my aesthetic off for what I was trying to do.
GrimmSpeed's manual for the Bro-Tie says that you might have to remove the front bumper. I did not have to for my 04 STI. Just take that hood up and remove that grill. There's plenty of room to do everything you need to do in there. There are 3 tabs on top to remove the grill. Pull the tabs down and pull the grill out towards you. There's also 2 clips that I have broken already, and they're near the bottom, so mine's just going to pop right out. You might have to get down in there and remove those clips.
So this right here is your chirp. So if you lock the car, that's where that comes from. Unlock, same thing. So I don't know if we're going to have to move that out of the way or not. This is the only... Man, that's wild. No, I think there is someone else's 04 WRX that I've seen being done for these Hella Horns, but my goodness, so many people have done this. Hopefully you can gain something from this video. I just wanted to show you maybe how it looks, I guess first things first, right? 12 milli. Oh, a breeze. Not even an issue. Not even a bark or bite. Leave that hanging. This one, I think I'm going to use a... Where are you, baby? Get the... There will be 2 connections in here that you remove. There's one sitting in here. That was for the low tone. And then the one for the high tone in here. It goes down into here and it goes into the wiring harnesses. That's what gives you your reading for your outside temperature. That little guy down there. And then as you can see here, this one is connected to this whole entire wiring harness. So I believe this is the one you're going to use right here to tap into your wiring kit. The wiring kit has one male end and then the other 2 female ends. These brackets, man, they are on there. So just use some zip, or else you're going to have to use like a vise. Just give it some nice little light. That'll zip that off of there. Without a fuss. Because you don't need these. These are going to mount directly to here.
You can reuse the nut to mount the Hella Horn to the Bro-Tie. Got that, bro, Namath?
Here's how I figured this is going to work here. Here you've got these little green paint splatters on here. And anytime electrical, I believe that means ground. So that's going to be your ground. Now, what you want to do here to wire this kit up is you want to take this male fitting here, and I'm guessing you're going to want to go to the hot sides, the positives. Now, on your grounds, you're going to want to take that other wire, which is this. This ring lead here is this is what you're going to contact with here. And or here, wherever you're placing it, and that's going to connect your grounds. So these you want to connect to both of those green leads. This one here and the other one on the other side. And then when you install this bracket, This ring lead will either go here, wherever you're installing it.
Found out that there's around 2 ways to mount the Bro-Tie to this 04 STI, GD body style. This configuration uses the hardware from the Bro-Tie kit, there Bro Jackson.
So I believe I found the best configuration for what I've got going on here, which is using this bolt as your ring lead up here, and then using this bolt down in here.
Ended up not liking that last configuration, so now I'm going to remove this center bolt and place a sturdy mount with the Bro-Tie. Take the male terminal from the Hella Horn wiring kit from GrimmSpeed, plug the male lead into the stock terminal that's connected to the wiring harness below. Now you can tuck everything away and make your final adjustments on where you want to mount the horns. When you finalize everything down, make sure that none of the wires are crimped or that they're stressed at all. These sound exactly like the OEM horn, they're just a little bit louder. These are not the supertones, they're the sharptones, and they're a little smaller in size. The GrimmSpeed bracket gives you multiple options on mounting the Hella Horns. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. Really though, smash that like button and stay tuned for more content. We've got some more awesome stuff coming up for you. Bye bye everyone.